the Central Science Laboratory. Central Science Laboratory is an academic support unit which aims to provide students, researchers, and faculty with their needs and their laboratory in order to attain the mission and vision of the university. First off, the Central Science Laboratory is simply divided into 4 different sections, namely the equipment section, the technical and repair section, the instrumentation section, the apparatus section, and lastly, the chemical section. Let's start with the operation and the facilities of the equipment section. So here is the equipment section. Specifically, this area is the counter where releasing and receiving of equipments actually occur. This equipment section houses almost 70 units of monocular and binocular microscopes, where it can accommodate approximately 2 sections. Here at the equipment section, you can also find the island cabinets for physics and biochemistry devices and equipments. So they are actually divided or categorized into different cabinets or island cabinets. So first we have the mechanics and optics cabinets, and we have the biochemistry cabinets where you can find common laboratory equipment for chemistry and or biochemistry. Now let's go to the repair and technical service section. Welcome to the repair and technical service section. So here in this area, it provides an avenue for the repair of common equipment and devices, specifically the electrical devices. So here you can find a table for research provided for faculty and student researchers. So this area is basically equipped with different safety devices. So we have the smoke detector, we also have a fire extinguisher, we also have the disposal area for our chemicals, the organic and inorganic chemicals, and we also have different equipment for microbiology. So we have an incubator, the laminar flow hood, and lastly we have the disposal area for microorganisms. We have this equipment we call the autoclave or the sterilizer. So the instrumentation room is one of the sections of the Central Science Laboratory. So here inside, you can find the weighing scales or the digital balances used to weigh different chemicals and substances. So this area is equipped with air condition to maintain the stability, the operation, and the functioning of the different delicate equipment and devices. The apparatus section. Here at the apparatus section, so you can find the different laboratory apparatus and devices commonly used by students and researchers. So here you can find our apparatus section flow process, where you can find the procedure or the flow of operation at the apparatus section. Here at the counter, here it is where the students and faculty receive their apparatus. Inside, you can find the different laboratory glasswares commonly used by students and faculty. This is the actual office of the apparatus section. It is where the in charge of the apparatus section actually stay to accommodate students and faculty for their laboratory needs. Specifically, this area is the counter where the releasing and receiving of the materials happen. And inside, you can find the various laboratory devices or glasswares for science experimentation. So here you can find an array of laboratory glasswares ranging from beakers to volumetric Erlenmeyer flasks, graduated cylinders, and other metal laboratory materials, the iron stands, the extension clamps, and other necessary materials for laboratory. Welcome to the chemical section. At the chemical section, so we can find different chemicals ranging from organic to inorganic chemicals. So this laboratory is equipped with safety devices in order to safety the people or the personnel working inside this laboratory. So here you can find the flow process of the laboratory. So here you can find procedure, how to make reservations for chemical use, and also how to return the excess chemicals. And inside, we can find the different laboratory chemicals, how they are arranged in cabinets. First off, may I introduce you to the office of the chemical section in charge. So it is where the chemical section in charge stay in order to accommodate students and faculty. And also at this area is the counter where the releasing and reservation of chemicals actually occur. And inside, so you can find, or you can see the arrangement of chemicals. So the chemicals are arranged according to their types or category. So we have the different island cabinets in order to safety the chemicals. So at the sides, so you will find the different inorganic chemicals arranged alphabetically, and at the middle, so we have the organic chemicals, we have the liquid and solid organic chemicals. On the other side, you will find the organic chemicals or the organic solvents. And at the back, and here at the back, you will find this area where the in charge is working or making preparations of the chemicals. So basically, this is the preparation or the working area. And in this space, you can also find the chemical fume hood where it safeguards the health of the in charge, where this equipment absorbs the noxious or the harmful chemicals in order to eliminate the noxious fumes to prevent danger to cause to the in charge or the person working in this space. This is the wash station or the shower station in case of bird accident or ice spill. So students or researchers can wash this area to wash their body from burns or fires, and for the washing area to wash their eyes from chemical spills. The WVSU laboratory waste disposal. So the waste or the garbages of the laboratory are being processed in different ways. So first, the chemical waste are being kept inside the storage containers. So they are accordingly labeled based on their category or types. So first, so we have the inorganic waste with heavy metals, and we have the inorganic waste without heavy metals. So reminder, metals are, for example, the mercury, the lead, and arsenic, which are commonly used inside the laboratory. So how about the laboratory broken glasswares? So for the broken glasswares, we also have the innovated containers or alternative waste containers for these broken glasswares. And we also have the containers or waste containers for the sharps. For the biohazards or for the materials contaminated by biohazards, so they are being sterilized or autoclaved mechanically prior to disposal to the general garbage. And for all these broken glasswares and other solid waste, so they are being kept inside or transferred into the general storehouse or collector house.